Hey guys, I thought I'd make a video. I'm working on my BX24, and if you can see it, this was the alternator belt. It's pretty bad shape. Let me see if I can get you a better picture of it. And I wasn't sure if I was going to try to tackle it on my own, but it's really not a bad job. This is the part number for the new one. And I watched a couple of YouTube videos. So what I did was I took the front protector off the bumper, and then took the cowling off, lifted up the bucket, and basically you can snake the hose, the belt around the fan belt, and on the other side you just have to loosen up the two alternator screws down here. You take the dipstick one, back that off, then you back that one there, and then there's another one up here to adjust it. And the way I did it was, I went underneath, and I like the vice grip method. I just grabbed it with a vice grip. There's the 3 bolts, they're 12 millimeter. They come right off. I marked it so I go back the same way. And there's a spring in there, that plate. You just got to pull it back, and that gives you plenty of room to get the belt around. And then you do everything in reverse. So it's really not that hard of a job. And you'll have your BX24 back and running in no time. Hope that helps you. Bye.